Oh my god, I can't believe that I'm doing this. I have been keeping the empty products in the storage for like about so many months now, and I really thought that it's done now. I really need to put these away. So I thought, why not make the empties video, which is being super popular over the internet on YouTube. So I thought, let's create this so that you would also know that I also generally go back to the products that I love and I go repurchase them. So I wanted to share my favorites. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so the number one product I have is a toner, come rose water, come everything that we need in the summer season, because it's so hot out there that we really need something that instantly cools our face, our skin, because it's so damn humid that this is something that I carry even on top of like the mildest makeup that I do, which I do very rare. But even if I'm in bare skin, if I've put on my sunscreen, I just spray this rose water and it feels so damn refreshing. So I'm talking about this one right here. So this is the Wishcare Ka Rose Water, and this is such a wonderful product. Now I have this which is empty, and I put this which is halfway down, and I am on my thing to get a third bottle. This time maybe I'm gonna get like a bigger version. These are super travel friendly, so I really love these. So this was my first repurchase. This is great. I really love it. If you're looking for something which should be your summer staple, I think a rose water, and this one is so affordable. You should definitely go check this out. Okay, so the next one I have is from a hair care category, which is, you would already know if you've been following me. This is again, oh, I'm sorry, I really did not know this. This is again my Wish Care. And this is your Wish Care hair serum, the hair growth serum concentrate. Okay, I got a little excited. I love this. This is empty. Got a new one, and I'm so happy. There was this point, okay? There was this point that my hair started growing, like overgrowing, that I genuinely had to stop using this product because there was too much hair, like too much baby hair in there. And I was like, no, man, so much hair. There was like hair coming out from your, everywhere there was hair. There was this time where I did not have like hair. Like I thought that my forehead is going to be super huge one day because the hair fall is super extreme. But this one is like absolute game changer. And the best part about this is, even if you put this overnight, next day it is not mandate that you have to shampoo your hair. You can keep it because it doesn't feel sticky and doesn't feel oily. You can still go out for work. You can do your normal day-to-day activities. It's such a wonderful product. It's super lightweight, very easy to use because of the spray, like the pump that it comes in. So yes, see, I do repurchase, and this is lot of products is in there, and this is something that I'm gonna really throw it out because I'm done now. Okay, so love this product. So now let's quickly move to the body care category. Now the one that I have is from Body Wise, like Be Body Wise, and this is their 1% salicylic acid body wash. This is basically used if you are prone to tanning and if you have strawberry skin. This is a life changing product. It really helped me with the strawberry skin part because it's absolutely stunning. I really love this product. I love this product so much that I actually went for a bigger bottle, and then I bought another bottle. Can you see? Just look at the condition of this bottle also. And I'm going to show it to you how much I use the new bottle also. And I'm on to hunt of getting the third bottle. I so love this product. This is like my staple. It's been a year that I've been using this, and I absolutely love it. I actually got like a smaller version of it. I so loved it that I ended up picking a bigger version. That also got over, and I'm on to this one right now. It's such a stunner. If you have strawberry skin and you're prone to tanning, use this. It will really help you with your pigments. I absolutely love it. So that was that. And also, I've got another product by the same brand. I am so shocked and stunned that Be Body Wise have been creating such stunning products. I also bought their roll on, which I'm using. That's also so wonderful. But let's move to the another empty that I've done. You should see the condition of the products that I've been using. It's very untidy. So the next one I have is another Be Body Wise product, and this is their 10% AHA body scrub, and this is something that I use, and this was my new purchase. So basically, so basically, that was an older version. They have changed their packaging, so it's that. This one is very great. All you have to do is just use it once a week on your ear, I think, on your elbow, on your knee, underarms, and you can also put it all across your, body, and just uh, rotate in clockwise direction, and just do this for good 2 to 3 minutes. Keep in for about a minute and then wash it off. You just have to use it once a week. It really, really helps in tanning. And the combo of the previous product that I show you, the body wash with this, is so good. Be Body Wise have been like, I don't know from where that brand came in, and such a clean products, man. I so love it. I love that. I also love their roll on that they had launched. I am trying their sunscreen, the invisible sunscreen, which claims to, blend in the skin for in 3 seconds, and it has new filter, like new age filter sunscreen, which means that it doesn't penetrate inside the skin, I mean in the body, into the bloodstream. So stunning products Be Body Wise is been like launching. I absolutely love it. Nobody's paid me for this. I genuinely love the products, and I'm so damn excited to use their more products. I mean, the spray sunscreen that they've brought, there are so many out there, and I'm so excited for the new releases as well. The last product in my empties is a makeup product. Now, I'm not a big fan of it, but I genuinely love the way it looks on my face. So, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. I've got two of them. So I am in the shade 09. These are really good on the skin, okay? But in terms of, it's not cruelty free, which means there's a lot of chemicals in there. It's been tested on the animals. So that is one aspect that I don't like it. But genuinely, if you really are someone who puts this occasionally, like I remember I used this last in January. Post that, I haven't used this. I really use a tint also, very, very minimal. I like to go bare face with a little bit of blush and, like, a lip balm or a lipstick with eyeliner. That's about it. That is how I like to go and function. So if you're someone who still needs, you have pigments like minor issues, and you want like a good affordable tint, you can definitely check this out. So this was my first tube, this was my second tube. I like it, but I really wear it occasionally, like 6 महीने में probably I'll wear it like 2 3 times if I have to go for a function. But on a day to day basis, I don't wear any tint because I really want to not put a lot of chemicals in there. But having said that, I do like this product. I have a mixed opinion because of the nature of it, because it is cruelty. It's not cruelty free because it is tested on animals and stuff. There's a lot of things. The ingredient list looks huge, so that's the reason I have like two mindset. But if still I have to pick like an affordable for people out there, I think this one that you can try. And yes, I think this video was super short, and yeah, I really hope you like this video. And if there are products that you have tried and it has turned out to be super amazing and have shook you, put that in the comments, and I would love to, read about it. And probably if I like it, I'll probably go buy that for myself. So yes, with that, I really hope you like this video. This was informative, a very short video, but yes, thank you so much, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love, love.